Guys, we just hit some bolo wheels, just stickering up the cars. We're about to have fun. You're never gonna see these cars all together crossing the border in Mexico. This rally is insane. 5 years in the making, and they gave me the opportunity to go and kick some ass and do a shitload of burnouts. Stay tuned, people. It's gonna be fun. Gonna be fun! We're on the rally, we're kicking ass. One of their guys keeps asking, why do I have the 018? And a lot of people on our social media keep asking, what does 18 mean? To me, it's been a lucky number since my childhood. Everywhere I take it, everywhere I put it at, it gives me good luck. It's gave us great success with this car. It's kicking ass on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, worldwide. I appreciate you guys for asking questions because it's helped us to be better in life, keep you guys entertained, keep you guys happy, and just basically helps us keep kicking ass for you guys. So it's just my lucky number, and I love it, and I'll wear it to the day I die. I know, but I mean, we're gonna go to Mexico regardless. We really don't care about the wall. We just want to figure out where our tax money's at. But me and my friends are gonna go kick some ass in Mexico. I hope you don't mind. I mean, some of us won't be able to make it back, but we'll figure it out. The wall's not an issue. But I hope it's okay with you, Uncle. I'm sorry. So you're going to Mexico, right? You're going to Mexico without my permission. And you're taking all your friends in all these loud cars. Good luck getting back, because I'm gonna make that border even higher, and I don't care about your tax money. I spent it playing golf last year. So have fun, and I'll see you whenever I see you. We just hit the first, it's actually second meetup spot. We're down the street from Mexico. Got this, baby. Mexico, Tijuana, we're coming for you. Got this, baby. We got this. Guys, we gotta slow down. This is a retén, where most of the time they're up here checking, so we gotta kind of slow down. There's always HP and stuff here. Guys, it's mandatory to get your Mexican insurance here. If you can't get it, I got a taxi for you. I got you. Vámonos. At the border, baby. No questions asked. We're all getting pulled over. Señores y señoras, ladies and ya entramos a Mexico. You guys ready? No rules, no regulations, no highway patrol, no none of that. We gonna have fun. I can do whatever I want.
To a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me.
We crossed the border basically. We're at like the LA River, but this is Tijuana, La Vía Rápida. You can go a la zona norte, anywhere you want to go. This is a spot where we had to meet up. All the federales are coming. They're gonna guide us in and out. The beautiful part about this, if you know TJ, it smells like shit, but it's beautiful. I love it, baby. I used to live out here for a couple of years. I love it. It's fun. I'm happy. Check out all these cars. Look at this. There's still some more. They're on the other side of the bridge somewhere. TJ is also known for, they don't give a shit where they leave their stuff.
You know we're officially here.
I'll save it for somebody that wants to use it. So, you're scared.
You better go preach yourself real quick. You better fucking
one false move, find yourself they getting buried. That's what the devil used to love, playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain.
We got the federales here. We got two. There's two more coming. And we got the helicopter because they gonna see do this big old burnout. And they said only the demon did it. So I said, okay. Miguel, para servirle. Gracias. That's your Mustang, huh? That shit's nice.
I want to be able to hear you, right? So, hey, don't worry about anything, bro.
I got you. Gracias. Ernie. Thank you, Ernie. He got me. He says he wants to hear us. Better be ready, Ernie. That saline better keep up, Ernie. Just letting you know. Toll fee. Yeah, you gotta get that toll fee.
Míralo. You need help?
Súbase, písale esa madre.
Dale.
Got the main cap of the federal police. He wants to get in my car. That's crazy. He follows me on Instagram. Dream come true. Dream come true, baby. You're wasting my gas now. You're doing it too much. You gotta relax.
Despacio, güey.
When you come to Mexico, don't be speeding. Cuando andes en México, no andes de presumido, güey. Mira.
Ah, mira, ya lo
Nos
mandé a
traen en la burrera.
Vale, madre.
Para que se nos quite. Made me look bad last time, not this time. Oh, that's it. I'm sorry, it's Monday. But I had to make you look bad 2 times. This time, baby. Guys, you know Mexico's known for robbing money, but yeah, there ain't no fast track out here. The fast track is you gotta pay cash or you don't get through. That's about it. So let me pay this. ¿Cuánto es? 38, $1.95. Mire, 1, 2. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Cuéntale, cuéntale. Muchas gracias, jefe.
Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. farra, farra. Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra. Farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra. Ella quiere farra. Yo con mariachi con la guitarra, por lo que se narra. Su mejor amiga es la barra. Como colgate me pone bien clean. Dame tu Facebook o dame tu pin. ¿Es el comienzo o será el fin? No me importa porque ya me dice que siento que tú y yo sentimos lo mismo. Usa cuadrado como si fuera algoritmo. Te vuelves loca cuando escuchas mi ritmo. Ella se lo canta como si fuera un himno. Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Farra, farra, farra. Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarre. Farra, farra, farra. Farra, farra, farra. Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra. Como tú vives, te cuento que tú eres una por ahí de miles. Estás más buena que paloma y no eres de Chile. Tú hablan de cross y yo en bici, soy Carlos Vives. Como tú vives, te cuento que tú eres una por ahí de miles. Estás más buena que paloma y no eres de Chile. Tú hablan de cross y yo en bici, soy Carlos Vives. Es el proceso, no lo que vale. Solo disfrutas y amo no vale. Yo soy la cobra pa' tu esos males. Y soy un pro para esos desembales.
Shoveling dirt in TJ. I was opening up the pad for all these cars that are really low. Thank you, MFR. Look, MFR. I got. Thank you, MFR. Appreciate it. Let's get it, baby.
Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra. Siento que tú y yo sentimos
Guys,
lo mismo.
we came to eat. We have fun. We drove in here. People are crazy with the cars out in the front, but we all gotta eat, right? I need to dedicate this song to Mundi. So esta canción pa mi camarada. Hey, I'm dedicating this song to you. You know that, right? For you. Oh, he's fired on me. I had to do it, man. Somebody had to do it. Four wins back to back. I had to give him a song at least, you know. Se la loncha. We had the best lunch ever / dinner. It's a little late. We still gotta go clubbing. But you know what I'm gonna tell you? It's a beautiful view out of here. It's fun. The federales take care of us. The cops take care of us. Everybody takes care of it. Just like Rob, Simbolo Wheels, I appreciate you. This is one of the best rallies I've ever came to, and I had fun in Mexico, which I've never been to a rally in Mexico. But I appreciate you. Thank you. And for my Uncle Trump with your towers, we're coming, baby. Here we come. Smoke coming in. We did a bunch of burnouts, but my temp kind of went up a little bit. So what I'm trying to do is I turned on the activate quick cool down. So that's what I just did. The only next step you have to do is turn off your engine. That's it. Did it come back? Let me see. SRT, drag option, race cool down. Temperature had spiked up to 160, went right down. So you basically turn off the car and let it cool down.
Take me back to Mexico, that can't concern what turn the sun. You were high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico, that can't concern what turn the sun. You were high on me, wanted to vibe with me.
Such a bliss.